Before modern science, before technology, and long before laboratories existed, humans still tried to understand the greatest mystery of all: life itself. Ancient civilizations believed that the human body was not just made of flesh and bones, but of powerful natural forces. They believed that everything in the universe, including humans, was made from four fundamental elements. These elements were earth, water, air, and fire. This idea shaped medicine, philosophy, and science for thousands of years. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Empedocles and Hippocrates taught that these four elements controlled human health, emotions, and even personality. According to them, when the elements were balanced, a person was healthy. But when the balance was disturbed, illness appeared. Earth represented stability, strength, and physical structure. People connected Earth with bones, muscles, and solid organs. Water symbolized fluids, blood, and emotions. It was believed to control calmness, sadness, and adaptability. Air was associated with breath, movement, and intelligence. Ancient thinkers believed air controlled thoughts, speech, and creativity. Fire represented energy, heat, and passion. It was linked with digestion, anger, courage, and life force. Ancient doctors believed that every human body had a unique combination of these elements. That combination defined who you were. If fire was too strong, a person became aggressive. If water dominated, emotions took control. Too much earth made a person slow and stubborn. Too much air caused restlessness and overthinking. This belief system was not limited to Greece. In ancient India, a similar concept existed called the Panchabhuta: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. In China, traditional medicine spoke of 5 elements influencing health and nature. Even ancient Islamic scholars discussed balance in the body, connecting health with harmony between natural forces. Without microscopes or modern tools, ancient humans observed nature, seasons, and the human body carefully. They noticed patterns. They experimented. They learned through experience. While modern science has replaced these theories, the idea of balance still remains important today. Doctors now speak of hormones, nutrients, and chemical balance. But the ancient idea was not entirely wrong. They were trying to understand life with the knowledge they had. The 4 elements remind us of something important. Human curiosity never stops. From ancient myths to modern science, the journey of knowledge continues. And perhaps, even today, we are still searching for answers the same way ancient humans once did, by observing, questioning, and wondering. History is not just about the past. It is a mirror showing us how humanity learned to understand itself.